or looked at you into getting the starter set?
All right, so we are here with the artist for the Gen Con program book. How's working with Gen Con been?
It's been a lot of fun. I had the artwork done like 90%, and then there was like some areas where I wasn't sure what to put in the remaining spots, and so they were really great collaborators and telling me like, oh, what would be fun Easter eggs to add.
Love it, because I know a lot of fans are really excited about the little Easter eggs that are included. Have you learned a lot about Gen Con yourself through doing this?
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. I wasn't familiar with the fans of Gen Con Facebook group, but I thought it was really fun to hide a few Easter eggs in there for them. So there's like the wristband that's hiding, there's the signing in the background, and just overall adding more of the like businesses that are a big part of the Gen Con experience on like some of the cards and some of the artwork that's like the hidden in the game that they're playing. That's Gen Con.
And finally, how is your Gen Con going? Like, what's it been like for you?
I've never had a big line before, and so this is my first time. Getting the huge rush of people to come out for the exclusive print was really fun and crazy for me. So it's been great. I'll see you at Gen Con.
All right, so the exhibit hall is about to close soon. I have picked up some games that I'm super excited about. I will have my haul video coming out after Gen Con, so be sure to stick around and check that out. You can see all the amazing things I picked up while I was here. I'm very excited. I got some stuff that I've been really excited about, and you know, I'm ready to get to the table already. So yeah, but the exhibit hall's closing. I'm gonna take everything back to the room, and then I'm probably gonna go get some food at the block party, because I've not really eaten today. It's funny, I am the Gen Con advice guy saying take care of yourself. I'm not gonna lie, I've not taken super great care of myself the last couple days. However, I have stayed hydrated, so for those of you who are like, drink water, I'm staying hydrated. I'm doing that, it's just eating. I haven't set aside the time that is required to go do so I'm gonna go eat right now because I need to get back to taking care of myself. You should do the same, but I'm hungry, I'm gonna go eat.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. sound right, boys.
Probably my favorite one. The prep me for 10 years. Yeah, literally. I've been watching your vlog for years, man. And then from like I reached out to him. Oh, nice. Running back,
All right, so we're at the D&D Tower, and you have to do all the checks. You have to do a strength test, a test, a wisdom test, all those things, right? So we're doing the intelligence one. It's literally a questionnaire, and it's all D&D questions. I literally looked at Scott, and I was like, I'm going to do this on my own. You're going to tell me if I pass or fail. I was genuinely nervous filling this out. We're going to see how I did. Scott told me that he knew most of the answers. It looks like I probably got a 4 out of 6, which is a passing grade, so I will take it.
Keeps calling it a test. It says check on the paper.
Pretty big brain. You are. Got a quiz here. You actually only missed number 1. Number 1 was...
I scored the same as
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, you probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that tug out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. I'm 40, we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm aiming for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine felt like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Brenner, have they the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the pass, for back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them hills, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig.
All right, so it has been a few hours since I've talked on here. It's been a fun day. First of all, I want to point something out that I think is kind of funny. I'm walking around right now at night. I'm getting ready to go do some things. So I don't have any of my equipment with me. None of my mics, none of my fancy cameras, anything that you guys see me using out. So I'm actually just talking on my phone. Believe it or not, this is actually, I don't know if I've ever done any vlogs or anything where it's just been me and my phone. So that's probably why right now it's a little shaky because I'm walking around and it's just me and my phone. But yeah, it's what I got on me. So it's what we're going to end this video with. Feels weird to me because I'm used to having all my stuff. But But yeah, so what we've been doing, you guys probably just seen the clips about it, is with me being kind of the videographer for Gen Con this year, trying to get all the, the content for the post show and then getting ready for next year and things. I went to the Dungeon Crawler Carl event. It was really wild. I 100% honestly, I don't know much about Dungeon Crawler Carl, but I have been learning this trip because it is so prominent at Gen Con this year and everybody loves it and it's so popular. So I got to go to that event and I got to, record and get some coverage of it. It was a whole lot of fun. It was the one that had like a Travis McElroy and a bunch of other, famous people in the, on stage, like getting to participate in things, and the guys from Dungeon Crawler Carl were up there, obviously. After that, I went to the Faster Purple Worm Kill show with Matthew Lillard and Diana of the Rose and Ify Wadiway and all those things. That was really cool, and I got to hang out afterwards with the VIPs and just kind of, meet and hang out a little bit with everybody, so that was a lot of fun. And then something that I have been told for years that I needed to attend, and I've never been able to until tonight, we went to the Late Night Puppet Slam. That was me and all my friends. We got to go. This was one of the very few events this weekend that we scheduled just for us. Like, it wasn't necessarily for content. It wasn't necessarily like for me and my work with Gen Con. It was just for us. And we had a blast. It was fun. We really enjoyed it. It was hilarious. And I do recommend it. It was a little bit different than maybe what I expected, but that's not in a bad way. Like, we enjoyed it. So we had a great night together. We were silly and goofy all night. Like, I had a great night with my friends. Like, we literally laughed until we cried. We were just cracking up with each other. This was just one of the reasons that's like, I love coming to Gen Con to meet all of you and stuff, but like, it's really special to me to come with my friends and stuff. It allows me to spend quality time with them that, you don't always get to do in your everyday life, but like, we're here this weekend together, and tonight was a night that like, I'll remember for a long time because we just had some special fun with each other. So it was a whole lot of fun for me. I hope you guys are having an amazing Gen Con as well. Thank you for all the love that you've shown to me. I really appreciate it. And tomorrow's Saturday, the big day at Gen Con. Every day at Gen Con's big, but Saturday's extra special big. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this. Sorry if this last clip was really shaky. Like I said, I have none of my fancy equipment with me right now, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Gen Con's awesome for me. I hope it is for you too. Bye.